Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest. Today's video is all about BBIG stock, Vinco Ventures. BBIG stock has been absolutely popping off lately. On January 13, investors of BBIG stock woke up to a very pleasant surprise. They had an impressive 23% gain and still rising. Vinco Ventures isn't showing any sign of slowing down in this week of booming, which at first was speculative, but it has been confirmed. At first, they were just rumors that Cryptide was launching, but they have filed their Form 10 with the SEC. Last spring, BBIG increased its offering by incorporating projectable, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to its repertoire. As well as that, Vinco has been making waves with its partnership with Zash Global Media. Back in July 2021, the company closed a deal making it a 50% owner of the Low Motif social media app. Finally, then in late August, news of a crypto acquisition spin-off company surfaced. Cryptide, as it's called, will be the company's next major venture, and it is finally coming to fruition. And it's one that will ultimately become its own publicly traded entity under the Tide ticker symbol. It will also see Vinco Ventures merge with Zash into a single entity. Yeah, I mean, BBIG stock kind of fell off in investors' radars in recent months. You know, I even noticed it myself. If I did a video about BBIG stock, it wasn't really getting the same views, which is always a good indicator of interest, to be honest. Thanks to the quiet period ahead of the merger and Tide initial public offering, there's not been much in the way of updates around Cryptide. So, you know, the hype kind of faded and people sort of went into more relevant plays. So this is a very, very nice comeback. The excitement is going a step further. Fintel, which if you don't know is a popular financial data aggregator, have launched a dedicated Cryptide webpage to track Tide stock data ahead of the IPO. You know, investors are taking this as a clue that the debut of the stock is imminent. You know, so all this means that there is a massive influx of money into BBIG stock. My prediction for Tuesday, bearing in mind I'm not a financial advisor, but this is just my opinions, kind of just more for entertainment purposes, but in the first few minutes of the pre-market, I think BBIG will look extremely strong. The bulls will dominate, but then within the first hour of the pre-market, the shorts will start controlling the stock, especially if BBIG breaks $5. Then by market open, the stock will be flat, and then that's where things will get interesting. There will be plenty of shares to short on Tuesday, and given the fact that BBIG is already over 25% shorted, this makes BBIG stock a great candidate for an incredible short squeeze. The shorts will short at $5, looking for the stock price to drop below $4 to make at least a 20% profit. And if they're right, they might make $2 a shares. On the other hand, we already know that it can pop to at least over $12. I think a conservative price prediction for this week would be $12, but we've seen it before and it might even go beyond that. BBIG stock is now sitting on its 200-day moving average and also a high volume zone. The relative strength index is now also looking pretty close to overbought. It is by most metrics overbought at 70, but some people prefer to encounter 80 for a more definite overbought signal. Either way, it is looking stretched. So that's why I say there might be a little bit of a pullback. Expect that. But I mean, you know, it's making great momentum. You know, BBIG stock has put in 3 straight days of strong gains. That is very exciting. So it'll be interesting to see where we go from here. Will we get that nice gamma squeeze that everyone is hoping for? I think we will. So let me know your opinions down below. And yeah, I plan to do more coverage of BBIG stock now that things are getting a little bit more exciting. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon. Have an amazing day.